Pour yourself a glass because you survived Cyber Week 2025. Don't worry, HR, it's sparkling apple juice. Black Friday has moved online and stretched from a single day into a week-long feeding frenzy of deals, promotions, and drops, sure to make any company's marketing team have a panic attack. Cyber Week has become the ultimate stress test for communication channels. It reveals whether your systems, your strategies, and your real-time data can actually hold up when everything hits at once, like this. Let's talk about what it takes to pull off a week like that smoothly and what it tells us about the year ahead. As hyperbolic as this may sound, every single message carries weight. Think about it. A personalized promotion that lands right when someone's ready to buy. A verification that ensures a gift will be delivered in time. A friendly order confirmation that makes a nervous shopper think, okay, that actually was a good purchase. All of these tiny moments add up to a customer journey. And you know what they say about a journey? It's the experience along the way that matters even more than the destination. Because customers expect their journey to be smooth. So smooth, they don't even know they're being guided along. Remember all these numbers? Let's get into it. This Cyber Week, customers set new records. 75.1 billion emails processed through Twilio Segment, a 12% increase over last year's record-breaking week. 6.99 billion messages, up 25% year over year. More than 1.07 billion calls handled by Twilio Voice, that's a 36% jump from 2024. As brands delivered record-breaking engagement across SMS, email, voice, and rich messaging, they raised the bar. Customers now expect every touchpoint to be seamless, secure, and consistent across the board, as we all should. Under the hood, Twilio Segment processed 27.1 billion events in a single week. Twilio Verify sent over 162 million verification messages to keep accounts and transactions secure. And brands delivered more than 532 million rich, branded messages over RCS and WhatsApp. Scale like that doesn't happen by accident. It takes deep partnerships with carriers and internet service providers, intelligent global routing, adaptive infrastructure, and months of planning with customers. Most importantly, it requires the engineering discipline to learn, adapt, and strengthen systems with every peak event. That can be a daunting task, especially as events like Cyber Week grow in volume year by year. Teams run into the same reality. Demand shoots up, timelines shrink, and resources feel tight. The pressure to innovate is still there, but the systems behind it can get messy. Fragmented tools, vendor sprawl, regulatory complexity. It all slows teams down when they need to move faster. Twilio's platform is designed to simplify these challenges. Straightforward integration means APIs, SDKs, and no-code tools plug into the workflows you already have, shrinking the distance from "we should try that" to "it's live." Modular components can run independently or together, so you can evolve at your own pace instead of trying to refactor everything at once. And with a community of 10 million developers and more than 3,000 technology partners, Twilio is where enterprises simplify operations and still scale confidently through their busiest week of the year. Besides, the deals start earlier and earlier every year. It went from Black Friday to Cyber Monday to Cyber Week. Cyber Month is just around the corner. In a world where teams are constantly asked to do more with less, simplification isn't about lowering your ambitions, it's about enabling it. The other big shift we saw this Cyber Week is how brands use data and AI to turn messages into actual dialogue. The next generation of brands don't just send messages and hope for the best. They have conversations with their customers. They anticipate needs, personalize in real time, and bring the same intelligence across every channel: SMS, RCS, WhatsApp, email, voice, and whatever comes next. Fingers crossed for telepathy. Wait, do I really want people in my head? No, definitely too weird. This is smart engagement, combining contextual data, AI, and communications to create a living, adaptive customer experience. Twilio brings that to life with context-aware orchestration, where every interaction builds on the last using real-time insights. AI-driven intelligence, informed by proprietary data from 2.5 trillion annual interactions, helps detect fraud and improve performance continuously. And persistent customer memory, so no digital interaction happens in isolation. Every conversation remembers who it's talking to and why. With over 700 native technology integrations and more than 550 destinations, Twilio helps turn fragmented data into actionable intelligence for every customer. That's how brands turn Cyber Week from a one-off spike into a long-term customer relationship. Underneath all of this, Twilio is built for the people who actually make these experiences real, the developers, architects, and teams they partner with. And we know that you all care a ton about RZYSI. What's RZYSI or RISI? Well, it's an acronym I just made up. R is for reliability at scale, with multi-tenant architecture that flexes right along with peak traffic, like Cyber Week. I is for integrations, APIs and workflows that are designed to work with your stack, not fight against it. S means security. The platform brings together end-to-end security and compliance with certifications like ISO IEC 27001 and HIPAA already processed where they're needed. The final I stands for insights, real-time insights and AI that guide decisions instead of just logging what happened yesterday. It's RZYSI! It's about to catch on, trust me! From authentication and messaging to data privacy and AI-powered personalization, Twilio puts all the essential pieces of trusted, intelligent engagement into one secure, flexible platform. So what did Cyber Week 2025 really show us? First, reliability is the baseline. Second, intelligence is the differentiator. Third, simplicity is how you keep up. The brands that won Cyber Week 2025 treat communications as connections, not just transactions. Because in 2025 and every year that follows, every message matters. And with Twilio, every message can be amazing. Cheers! Yeah, that's gone flat.